Now we are going to talk about Egypt.
The location, map and capital. The Arab Republic of Egypt, a country in northeastern Africa, is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, Israel and the Red Sea to the east, Sudan to the south, and Libya to the east. And the capital city is Cairo.
About flag, official language and currency, the official language is Arabic. English is widely spoken in commerce and government. And the currency is the Egyptian pound.
As for geography, Egypt is bordered by Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, and by the Gaza Strip and Israel to the east. It has a strategic position. It possesses a land bridge between Africa and Asia. The principal geographic feature is the Nile River. Apart from the Nile Valley, the majority of Egypt's landscape is a desert. Important towns and cities are Alexandria, Cairo, Giza, Luxor, and Suez.
About climate, Egypt's climate is arid with hot, dry summer and warm winters.
As for politics, the government is republic. The Prime Minister is Ahmed Nasif, and the President of the Republic is Mohamed Hosni Mubarak.
As for economy, industry and resources, the sectors are tourism, agriculture, industry and service almost equal rates in national production. About religion, the Egyptian legal system only recognizes 3 religions: Islam, the official religion, Christianity and Judaism.
As for culture, the architecture is the Red Pyramid in the Nasur necropolis, the Great Pyramid of Khufu or Giza, the Pyramid of Khafre, the Great Sphinx, the Temple of Abu Simbel, the Luxor Temple, the Karnak Temple, and the Valley of the Kings.
About painting, the subjects are religious essence, military essence, or daily life essence, and the media are papyrus and walls of tombs and temples.
As for sculpture, the ancient art of Egyptian sculpture represented the ancient Egyptian gods, and important sculptors are Mahmoud Mokhtar and Hassan Esmat.
About literature, the subject matters of literature include hints to the gods, mythological and magical texts, mortuary texts, biographical and historical texts, and scientific premises.
In philosophy, the Egyptian philosophers are Plotinus, Arnofis, Abdel Rahman, Ahmad bin al-Dawsar, Hassan Hanafi, and Hassan Abdel Wahab el-Masih.
About science, Imhotep is considered to be the first engineer physician in history known by name, though 2 other physicians, Hesi Ra and Mary Ptah, lived around the same time.
About music, cinema, and theatre, Egyptian music is a rich mixture of indigenous, Mediterranean, African, and Western elements. The Cairo Opera House is the main performing arts place of the Egyptian capital. and some Egyptian-born actors like Omar Sharif have achieved worldwide fame.
About the education, the basic education stage is for 4 to 14 years old. Kindergarten for 2 years, followed by primary school for 6 years and preparatory school for 3 years. Then the secondary school stage is for 3 years, for ages 15 to 17, followed by the tertiary level.
As for folklore and traditions, Egypt is famous for its many festivals and religious carnivals, also known as Muid Ramadan, has a special flower in Egypt, celebrated with songs, lights, and much flag that many Muslim tourists from the region flock to Egypt during Ramadan to witness the spectacle.
About the sports, the popular sports are football, that is the national sport of Egypt, squash, and tennis, and other popular sports in Egypt, and handball.
And cuisine, the typical Egyptian dishes are kusari, kebab, falafel, and moussaka.